What's up, YouTube? We back at it, trying to make another video for y'all. This time we're gonna be putting in a Posi unit into the Buick, and we'll see how it goes. It came with the 373 gears. We went up to the pick and pull. They had a 50% off, so shit, we gotta take advantage of that anytime we can. So we went to a Oldsmobile. It's an SUV. I don't know the name of it. I think it's like a Bravada or something. Like, it was a 4-wheel drive. It had the 373 gears in it, and we went and pulled it out. It has the G80 lockers, so we're gonna put that in the Buick, see if we can get both tires to spin, because right now it's got the limited slip in there, and that just ain't doing it, man. We gotta get both tires to spin at all times, you know. Leave the light, get a little burnout going on, maybe a little donut sometimes. Shit, have fun with it, you know what I'm saying? That's what we're building it for, just to have fun, go out there, break it, come back and fix it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so we're gonna get to it, try to get this thing put in. It's a Memorial Day weekend. I got a little story time for y'all on how I got the car. Shout out to my Uncle Joseph, you know what I'm saying? He's a Marine veteran, you know. Passed away in 2019. Shout out to him for actually hooking it up with the car. So a little backstory on that. He was wheeling and dealing, buying junk cars, and he asked me, he's like, hey, what kind of car you want? You know, you fixing to get into high school, so let me know. Maybe I can find it for you. So I told him I wanted a Cutlass. I wanted a 2-door, old school, but anything really. And so he found me this 4-door car. He hit me up. He's like, hey, let's go look at it, see if you like it. If you want it, if not, we'll go out and crush it. So I was like, nah, let me go check it out first. So we went out there, and his buddy from high school, their parents had it, and it had been sitting in the field for like 10 years before I got it. So he got it. He paid $100 for it, sold it to me for $600, and the plan was he was gonna put a motor in it, get it running for me, but that fell through. So my dad ended up finding a mechanic with a 307. So we put the 307 in there for a little while, and I said, man, I done moved up from 20s, 22s, 24s, now 26s. Man, fuck, can't even do a burnout, shit, not even on dirt. So I had to do the LS swap. So you know, so back to the point. Well, shout out to Uncle Joseph, you know, he helped me out get this car. So what I like to do is, you know, and to remember him, is just kind of do things to the car. He didn't have nothing to do with it. Like, he didn't have nothing to do with this style of car. He just helping me out, trying to get me a car for high school and shit. So I think I got this car in 2010. Now it's 22. So shit, been about 12 years since I had this thing. So slowly we're getting it right. A little fun fact, little story time for y'all. So hope y'all enjoy the content. Like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want. If you don't, then fuck it. Excuse the wind, but this is the main reason why we're putting this Posi unit in here, because it won't spin with both tires. Watch. I'm gonna give y'all a little demonstration. See what I'm saying, man? That just ain't cutting it no more. We gotta do something, get both tires spinning, get that thing right. Shit, we're gonna jump right to it. We're out here at the Junkyard, you feel me? Shit. Wait, I don't forgot the name. It's Oldsmobile Bravada, 4-wheel drive. Had to come out here and get this locker out the rear. Shout out to Mr. Get It In There for the motivation. I'm getting up in there, getting that locker out. I already pulled the axles. I'm thirsty as fuck, and I just need to get some pry bar action on it, see if we can get it out. Cut back on in a minute. All right, we got the parts we need. We got the big ass Milwaukee bag. We're gonna leave these here for now. We're gonna go put this in the car, and then we'll come back. Hopefully they're still here. Shit. We went up to the store and bought a socket 1.25 for the yoke. Let's see how many miles this motherfucker got. Damn, it don't say how many miles. Well, you're just gonna have to chance it. I don't know how many miles are on the Buick either, so if you want your Buick to spin on both tires, get you one out of a 4x4, because it's got the 373s. So we're in a little bit of a situation. The axle is a 26 spline, and the new carrier is a 28 spline. Hopefully the Junkyard has the 30.5-inch axles, 28 spline, off of that same Bravada, so we won't have to order them. Wish me luck. We'll cut back on tomorrow at the Junkyard and go from there. All right, y'all, we back out here with this Bravada. Came out here to check the axle link. Let me see right quick. Damn, 29 inches, not good enough. Let's go find an Astro van and see if we can get some axles off of that. Good thing we got this little half-ass wheelbarrow. We found an Astro van. Let's see if we can get that axle out. So we came to this other Astro van and got the passenger side axle. On the other white van, we got the other passenger side axle. So we're running 2 different van axles, both passenger side. Well, let's go see how many miles this one's got. Motherfucker. At this point, I really don't care. Hopefully they both work. 2 passenger side axles to make the driver's side and passenger. Found me a Buick Limited. It's 82, I think. But I got the front bumper up there. It's just I can't get the back one. Even if I took off all the bolts, I wouldn't even be able to pull it out. We'll have to stick with the one we got. Fuck it. So in the process of me putting on and off these drums that I got from the Junkyard also, because these are a new bolt pattern, so I had to get the drums for it. This little pin broke to hold down the brake pads, whatever, so I grabbed a nail, cut it to length, and just smashed that end. You see right there. I'm not fixing to go buy a whole new brake kit just for this one pin. So it looks like a nail, and so I was like, oh well, maybe I can make my own pin for it. So I did. There you go. Tech tip of the day. Okay, so everything's put in. Everything seems to be moving correctly. All we gotta do is put this new gasket on there, the wheel spacers back on, and then put the wheels on it. See if we can do some burnouts. Okay, we got everything put back together. We had to get new spacers put on the back because the Astro van is a 5-on-5 lug, and before it was a 5-on-475. We're gonna come over here and get it started. I haven't started it in a few weeks. So my little trick is to unplug the battery if you're gonna leave it sitting for a while. So I already plugged up the battery, so let's see if it'll turn on. Hey, and I got the inside taken apart. That might be on my next video. I had to fix the windows. They weren't rolling up and down. I had to get in there and grease up the belt that holds up the window. And I had to fix all these wires right here because back in the day, your boy had Lambo doors on this thing. So I had to go back and fix my error. But it's good, she's running. Let's put that G80 locker to the test and see what it do. I've never been able to spin the tires in this car. That's why I put the 5.3 in here. That's why we're doing the gears, so we could just have fun with it, man. On the next video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take apart this whole dashboard, because up on this side, back in the day, I had a little fire going on, fixed it, so that's gonna be the next project. We're gonna take this whole dash apart and fix that wiring so I can sleep better at night, knowing that this car ain't gonna catch on fire driving down the road. Shit, that's the last thing I want to happen to this car. Definitely feel the difference with these new gears. I've never been able to do this, but let's try it out. Holy shit. Hell yeah, dude. Let's do a little pull. Here goes the second pull. What's up?
How you doing?
Good, what's up?
Trying to run them or what?
Hey, let's go.
Yeah?
I put 373s in the back.
Yeah.
I can feel the difference now.
I bet. Hell yeah, man.
Yeah, it'll actually do a burnout now.
Oh shit, bro.
Both of them.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
I think this one will.
Okay, last pull from a dead stop. It's getting late. The neighbors are outside and I don't want the cops getting called on me. So this is a dead stop and I'm just gonna punch it. All right, y'all seen it. It's got both tires spinning now with the 373 gears, the G80 locker in the back. And another reason why I don't drive this thing is because them tires, I checked the code and they were made in 2010. So how it's hot out, these roads, they're gonna blow up real quick. So that's why I don't be driving it to work or nothing. But once I get new tires, motherfucker, fucking up my video. Once I get new tires put on, then I should be able to drive it back and forth to work, but I'm not gonna be driving on tires that were made in 2010, not me. It didn't take too much work, just get out there to the junkyard and do it, man. Easy as that. Go on a day that they got half off and get your parts. Stay tuned for the next video. We're either gonna do a cam swap, take off that dash. Stay tuned for that. Like, comment, subscribe. If you don't, fuck it.